Nigerian actress Nkechi Blessing Sunday was spotted tweaking in front of the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi. The movie star, who had been to the Ooni's palace in December 2022, where she was a judge in a pageantry competition, paid another visit to the monarch in similar capacity. This is coming weeks after the controversial actress had taken to social media to make public her intention to be the next wife of the highly respected Yoruba monarch. Actress Nkechi Blessing Sunday, with an ulterior motive, finally had her dream come true by dancing on stage, in front of the famous monarch with an intense twerking move. The actress had begged the Ooni, who had just married 6 wives ago, to make her his 7th wife. The suggestive and lewd dance moves, a ploy to catch the Ooni's fancy, has finally got the monarchy. Congratulations to actress Nkechi Blessing, the 7th Queen of Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi.
Please, can you step up for your performance, please? For the morning clearance, Nigerian private school, Ife. Let's go there. You have just 2 minutes for your performance, please. God bless you. What are your hobbies?
Okay.
Please, can we have our judges, please? Check. The person of Dele Fagoyo.